Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at NvirWorld, and in this video, we're going to be covering everything regarding the project and their new platform that they have, which is called Innodex. So jumping into the website at NvirWorld.io, you can unlock the new normal, a new play-to-earn ecosystem. Everything you want, you can do it all. A new digital world in which everything enjoyable becomes profitable. So NvirWorld's new normal enables the ideal digital environment. Now, switching over to their white paper, you can go beyond the ever-evolving technological revolution. We created a culture. Since the birth of blockchain, and even now after a long time has passed, various projects that implement blockchain technology are constantly being created, eliminated, and developed. Although we have seen many remarkable developments and changes led by blockchain technology, it is hard to find its influences on culture. Changes often happen when new technology is created and introduced in our society. The relationship between changes in human civilization and technology is deep. However, even though the starting point of changes are science and technology, the fundamental changes in society, changes in culture are hard to be made. So these are this is like the basic philosophy behind the project. And talking about a new world in which everything enjoyable becomes profitable. So it's a simple idea, yet this one is accurately capturing the core of a healthy digital ecosystem that NvirWorld aims for. We have found the true meaning of play in the ecosystem. Beyond the game, everything a user can play will be linked to the profits made in the ecosystem. And this will be the most ideal decentralized world that truly coexists with users. So NvirWorld only builds the ecosystem in which users can engage. We do not interfere with users' profits, and that is something you have to keep in mind. That is very important. Now, talking about the NvirWorld third generation mainnet to lead to the Web3 era. So here is a little diagram or tree, you could say. So this is the NvirWorld mainnet. Operating ecosystem goes to the gas fees and the Enver tokens being burned. So they do have a burning mechanism, which is amazing because that will help the tokens price in the long run. So Enver will be used as gas fees at the time of the mainnet launch and has the potential to become even more useful as NvirWorld's ecosystem and mainnet scalability increase through a burning mechanism similar to Ethereum. The development of layer 3 solutions such as NvirWorld's mainnet can bring many benefits, including cost savings and improved accessibility, and can continue to the global commercialization of blockchain technology. Now, taking a look at a CNN article from Indonesia, they actually covered NvirWorld, which is insane. So the blockchain company NvirWorld recently signed an agreement with NGO World Vision to campaign for the World Blockchain Donation Project. The donation project is held through Innodex as NvirWorld's new hybrid decentralized exchange where Ethereum and Solana coins can be donated with just email, with no geographical boundaries. Through Innodex, users get features of a two-factor authentication mechanism at once with network fees during trading, the use of order books without self-authentication, and transparent and on-chain verification. Recently, Innodex launched an innovation that connects Ethereum and Solana wallets automatically when the email is used and connected to the exchange. The service, which can still be obtained by users without cryptocurrency wallets, lowered the entry limit to DeFi significantly, which introduced blockchain technology to World Vision supporters without blockchain experience. In addition, NvirWorld is also known as the next generation of Ethereum, thanks to the technical capabilities where the token generated is burned by mainnet network transaction fees through various mediums. Now, here's another article from Crypto.news. NvirWorld could ride the crypto bull run expected in Q2 of 2023. So the price of Bitcoin has risen sharply since the start of the year, and especially days after the banking crisis in the United States. So moving on down here. So on the basis, analytics expect a sharp recovery of crypto prices in the months to come. Already, Balazs Srinivasan, former chief technology officer of Coinbase, posted on Twitter. Basically, he's saying that the BTC price will exceed $1 million within 90 days, which was crazy. And they covered NvirWorld with their coins to stand a chance in 2023. So the likes of Ripple XRP, GBT, and Baby Doge in April 2023 is the list of coins that NvirWorld surpassed, claiming the top spot in MEXC's spot search volume. So the trend has only accelerated with CNN, one of the world's largest media outlets, introducing the global donation project of NvirWorld on April 27th. And moving to another article here, Enver by NvirWorld tops search quantity rating on MEXC, a worldwide cryptocurrency alternate. So we also spoke about this previously, that the NvirWorld token Enver beat GBT XRP in terms of trading volume. So the layer 3 mainnet, which launched its official buying and selling service by way of the hybrid decentralized alternate Innodex, is gaining traction. In the third week of March, Enver, which had already taken a second place in search quantity after CryptoGBT on MEXC, a cryptocurrency alternate, rose to the highest of the search rankings. In February, a media outlet named NvirWorld as one of many high-2 altcoins that might entice consideration in 2023 together with Baby Doge. Since then, NvirWorld, whose creator describes it because the next generation Ethereum, or is the next generation Ethereum, is being searched extra by merchants and traders. Now, taking a look at Innodex itself. So it's a very fast and convenient DEX. There is no handling charges. There is no change in the final assets within 24 hours, and so no gas charges required. Cash withdrawals are also very fast. And finally, just have the Enver coins in your wallet. Not a financial advice, but this is definitely a project that could do well in 2023. And as you can see, this is how it all looks like. Very, very easy to sign up. Obviously, you have the night and day versions, and you have the wallet over here. You can confirm that if you are looking to sign up. And yeah, it's really easy. If you've used DEXs before, this is definitely going to be an easy an easy DEX to use for you. And here is the Innodex guide. So this is the next generation decentralized exchange, or DEX. Second page here of the guide. Bank run happens again. So obviously, with all the bank runs and all the craziness in the banking system in the US and Europe, has showed us once again that you have to be involved in crypto. You have to have your money in crypto to be safe from all of that fiat nonsense. So bank runs have not ended yet. Is your crypto asset safe? Here are a few CNN articles about the crypto withdrawals. Starting from FTX collapse, the controversy of exchanges continues. So as you can see, a lot of exchanges have been going under, so you need to take care of your money. Concepts and comparisons of centralized and decentralized exchanges. So these are some of the comparisons. So the centralized exchanges store crypto on their system. So basically, you don't have access to your keys, and you must be KYC approved. You need to be able to be involved in the operation of exchanges and manage cryptocurrencies that are traded. Transactions are made only on the internal system of the exchange. Do not need to pay for the gas fee, as transactions will be made within the exchange using an internal system, not the actual transaction on the blockchain. It might cause personal information and assets loss in the exchange if the exchange got hacked, as information stores in the exchange. Well-known centralized exchange, Binance, Coinbase, OKX, all of those. All assets are kept individually if you're looking at decentralized exchanges. Anyone can trade with a wallet and cryptocurrency without self-certification. The exchange is only a space and a market for individuals to trade. Individuals use this space to P2P or to trade peer-to-peer. Transactions will be made automatically when each party has the same capabilities. All transactions are made in the blockchain and must pay gas fee on every transaction, but transaction details and assets can be checked transparently on the blockchain explorer. Even if the exchange is hacked, no loss of personal assets will happen as all assets are kept in each individual personal wallet. Well-known centralized exchange DYDX Uniswap, or decentralized exchange I should say, DYDX, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, SushiSwap, etc. Now here are some of the pros and cons. As you can see, there should be a KYC, assets are not traceable, and the only con for decentralized exchanges are the gas fees, especially on the Ethereum blockchain. So we all know how that story goes. The next generation hybrid decentralized exchange that gather all pros from centralized and decentralized exchanges. So you have the proof of reserves, not needed. Capital assets of exchange's wallet can be checked on blockchain. Gas per transaction is 0 once a day. Gas fees happen only on synchronization. Identification card X, login by using personal wallets such as MetaMask, Solflare, etc. Innodex, here's the exchange process. So you connect or log in using your MetaMask. For example, you create a wallet on the exchange. Cryptocurrencies will be added by using the wallet, and that will cost a gas fee. If your asset changed because of your trading activities, assets will be synchronized once a day with a blockchain explorer. Moving down here, the synchronization. What is synchronization? Occurs once a day only when there are changes in one's asset and gas fees occur as it needs to be recorded on the blockchain. Personal wallet and exchange. So record any assets on the blockchain, and it does check the assets by searching your personal wallet address in Etherscan or Solscan. Your assets can be traced transparently. Moving down here is the roll-up. Transparent and traceable capital assets. Check the wallet address in Innodex. Top navigation bar on my page and wallet. So the capital is traceable by or is trackable by searching the wallet address Innodex owns. And that's obviously a benefit of this decentralized exchange. So capital proved synchronization, gas fees paid once a day. Doesn't matter if you make 10 or 100 transactions a day. In Innodex exchange, gas fees will need to be paid once a day during the synchronization of your assets on blockchain. Through the synchronization, which happens every day, users can transparently check their assets in the exchange through Blockchain Explorer. And here's the Innodex exchange. Capital approved, synchronization, gas fees paid once a day. Here are some of the types of the transactions from what I can see. So centralized exchanges, or some of the things that are available on decentralized exchanges, centralized exchanges, and on Innodex. So obviously all of this is available on Innodex. So for example, personal assets can be traced transparently, can trade without paying gas fees, can trade without self-certification, visible order book, fast transaction speed, transaction fees cheaper in compare with the average 0.25%. So two types of interface are provided for the ease of use. You have the basic, optional, and you have the advanced, order tools, moved. So obviously it suits both types of people. And you have the two types of interface are provided for the ease of use. So you have the dark mode and the light mode. I always like to use the dark mode. And you have the basic option here, where you have the tokens and the pairs on the left-hand side, but you have the secondary option, which is advanced, where you have the tools move, so the tokens are on the right side, order book on the left side, and buying and selling features are in the middle. So that is basically everything you need to know about this decentralized exchange. No self-certification, no gas fees for each transaction. The safe and reasonable Innodex exchange where capital is transparently proven once a day. Now, here is another article from Crypto.news. While concerns over the banking system in the US are still on the rise, we have another article regarding NvirWorld. So, exploring Innodex, a hybrid decentralized exchange. Amid the growing emphasis on the need for a decentralized exchange and VC's attention in the DeFi market, a hybrid decentralized exchange, Innodex, which combines the advantages of centralized and decentralized exchanges, has emerged. Innodex has put forward a trading system that stores and trades assets in an individual's wallet without complicated self-certification. In this design, the exchange can also transparently check personal assets holdings on the blockchain. At the same time, it removes gas costs, a disadvantage common when transacting on the public blockchain. So the trading platform introduced a new technology that absorbed the benefits of centralized exchanges and the advantages of decentralization. Innodex has the advantages of centralization. Notably, it can store assets and facilitate trading directly from non-custodial wallets without entrusting the services of a third party. Creators hope the exchange will reinstill confidence in finance following the SVB bankruptcy and Silvergate liquidation. And also a quick note, you can get the tokens on the MEXC exchange, on LBank, on Gate.io. So those are the exchanges where you can get the token, and it is also available on Bitmart. So that covers everything regarding the project. Obviously, do your own research into this thing and possibly look into putting, approximately 10% of your portfolio into the token, because this could definitely be huge in 2023 and 2024. And let us know if you have any questions regarding the project. We're going to see you in the next update about a new project next time. And that's it. Goodbye.